All of your files reside in a Microsoft product called SharePoint. This has a number of advantages when you compare it against the traditional way of storing your files on a file server, not least of which is that you can access them in a secure way when you're not at the hotel. You can access SharePoint in two different ways. The first way is to use Windows Explorer, and the second way is to access them from a web browser. Windows Explorer is the preferred way. To use Windows Explorer to access your files, click on the folder icon on the bottom of your taskbar or click Start File Explorer. On the left-hand side, you'll see something starting with Grosvenor House. Keep clicking on this until you see the address bar showing Grosvenor House Hotel Shared Documents. This shows you all of the documents and folders that you have access to see. Folders have been locked down to each department. So if there is something that you need to access which you currently do not have, then we can only accept the authority to change this from a nominated hotel contact. All staff will be able to see any new folders or files that you create at this level. A green tick to the right shows a file or folder that is synchronized down onto your PC. This can be useful if you're on a laptop and need to work on files but have no internet access. For example, if you're on a plane or a train, or somewhere even with just no Wi-Fi signal. The blue cloud icon shows it is available for you to use, but you must have internet access to see it. The blue arrow shows you the file or folder is only on your PC, but is currently being synchronized up into SharePoint. If you create any new files or folders at this top level, everybody will be able to see them. Any files or folders you create underneath your own departments, though, however, only the people we have been told who are in those departments will be able to see them. But if you want additional folders created that only certain people have access to, by all means let us know. Now, the second way that you can access your files is you'll see an icon on the desktop called Hotel Shared Documents. Double click that and all your documents that you have access to will open up in a web browser. If you're on a different PC or working from home, for example, you can still access your files and folders. You don't need to be on the hotel network. To do that, open up a web browser and in the address bar type grosvenorhouseresidences.sharepoint.com. So grosvenorhouseresidences.sharepoint.com/shared-documents. One of the advantages of using a web browser to open up your documents, if you're on a different PC or working from home, for example, is you don't actually need the full version of Office installed on your PC or laptop. As you can see here, I've opened up Word in a web browser. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Bye bye.